I would like to inform you. We have registered a case in crime branch yesterday under various sections of Anti-Corruption Act, including few sections of IPC also, on the complaint of the Home Department of Government of Goa. The complaint is against unknown ministers and Louis Berger company. That is the complaint. We registered the FIR. The investigation has been taken up, and we will investigate all aspects of this case. Whoever connected in this case or whose name come up during the investigation definitely will be summoned and interrogated. The corruption has been proved by the US judicial proceedings, so there is no doubt. That has been established at an international level also. So corruption is there. We have to ascertain who are the involved person in this case. That is our prima facie our object.